ceremonies, my ascendant to the highest office in the land is the accumulation of years of struggle by generations of Namibian men and women for the political, social, and economic liberation of our motherland. I would like to pay homage to all of them, those who have passed on and the living. Today's event is taking place 20 days after we laid to rest His Excellency Comrade Dr. Sam Tshafishuna Nujoma, Namibia's founding president, father of the Namibian nation, and the leader of our revolution. May his soul rest in perfect peace, as he is one of those we are paying homage today. Let me also take this opportunity to acknowledge the crucial role that the international community has played in our struggle for national independence. Your solidarity, material, and moral support has carried us to the logical conclusion of our struggle, namely the attainment of our independence. It is gratifying to see that so many representatives of friendly countries, organizations, and individuals, friends of Namibia, have come to celebrate with us our 35th anniversary of our independence and to witness my inauguration. Your presence here today is highly appreciated. It's a source of inspiration and a moral booster to me and Namibians at large. And I want to assure you that our policies on strengthening cooperation with the international communities, with your own countries and your organization would continue to be strengthened.